Ladies and gentlemen, MCycle Industries is proud to present my Satsenka air conditioning technology 3rd generation. This unit is tested in exterior conditions on June 28th in Denver, Colorado at the exterior temperature of 35 degrees Celsius with an output of 19 degrees Celsius. Please observe. And the unit is delivering 300 cubic meters per hour, consuming 84 watts of electricity.